Hey there, welcome to my channel. I'm Zahid. So here's the thing. I'm on this journey to become a network engineer with a cybersecurity focus. And honestly, I have no idea what I'm doing half the time, but that's exactly why I wanted to start this channel. I've always been super curious about how networks actually work and how people keep them secure. Then I had this light bulb moment. Why not learn out loud and bring you all along for the ride? If you're just starting out like me, we can figure this stuff out together. We're going to start with the absolute basics. Think IP addresses, protocols, that famous OSI model everyone talks about. Then we'll get our hands dirty with some actual labs where we build networks and inevitably break things trying to fix them. And once we get the hang of that, we'll dive into the really cool cybersecurity stuff. Firewalls, how hackers actually try to get in, all that good stuff. If this sounds like your kind of adventure, definitely hit that subscribe button and come learn with me. Oh, and drop a comment. What networking topic should we tackle first? I'm honestly curious what you want to see.